In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make DIY silhouette art using Canva. This is a quick and easy project that you can complete in about 5 minutes, perfect for giving your digital designs a unique and artistic flair. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by selecting an image that you want to transform into a silhouette. This image can be anything you like, but keep in mind that subjects with distinct outlines, like portraits or objects, work especially well for silhouette art. Once you've chosen your image, click on it in Canva to get started. The next step is to remove the background from your image so that it can stand alone as a silhouette. On the design menu, you'll find an option labeled BG Remover. Go ahead and click on that. This tool is incredibly handy. It separates the subject of your image from its background seamlessly. Give it a moment to work its magic, and soon you'll be left with just your subject isolated. Now that you have your subject isolated, you want to click on the Edit option. This will open a range of editing tools specifically for your image. The tool we'll focus on today is Duotone. So what exactly does Duotone do? It's a colourful overlay that allows you to change the hues in your image. It's located among the options in your editing toolbar. Once you've clicked on Duotone, you'll see different colour presets appear. For this project, select the Cherry option. Choosing Cherry will initially apply a red tone to your image, but don't worry, we're going to tweak these settings to achieve that classic black silhouette look. From here, the goal is to customize the duotone settings by changing the colors to black. Within the duotone settings, you can manually adjust the shadows and highlights. We want both elements, the highlights and shadows, to be pure black. Doing this will turn your subject into a complete silhouette, devoid of any color variations, capturing that iconic shadow-like quality. To finish up, make sure you've applied these changes effectively and that your image now appears entirely black. Spend a moment observing the final outcome. If something doesn't look quite right, feel free to retrace your steps and adjust accordingly. These final adjustments are crucial so that your silhouette art stands out precisely the way you envision it. And there you have it, a simple yet striking piece of silhouette art in just a few straightforward steps. Whether you're incorporating this into a larger design or simply showcasing it on its own, silhouette art adds a timeless aesthetic to any visual project. Thanks for watching, and have fun experimenting with your designs.